Hello student, we discuss here empirical formula, how to calculate empirical formula. I am Veena Dixit. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. First of all, you have to write down element with atomic weight, first column. You have to make such type of column 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First is element with atomic weight, second percentage given, third relative number of atom or atomic ratio, and fourth column divide by least, okay, and lastly simplest ratio. So in this way you have to write down here. Now write percentage composition of element in front of it, divide percentage composition with atomic weight, so to get relative number of atoms, that is atomic ratio will get. Okay, now after this we will see which is having least. To get simple ratio, we divide that ratio by least. See here, in this case least is 7, here 7.80, here is 6.29 for hydrogen, so it is least. So this will be ratio relative number divided by 6.29. Here 6.29 divided by 6.29 means each should be divided by the least number, so we'll get simplest ratio. Okay, now if we get any fraction such as 1.50 multiply all by 2, so we'll get 3. Okay, for 1.5 it will be 3, so other will having other units, but all should be multiplied by 2 when one of the fraction is 1.50 of any element. Now if 1.33 fraction will be there, then multiply all by 3, so we'll get 3.99, so we'll get that fraction will turn to be 4, and other will also multiply by 3. Okay, now 1.66 fraction is there, so you multiply that also by 3, so you will get 5. Okay, and then the rest of all other ratio we have to multiply by 3. Now if we get 1.25 multiply all by 4, so we will get 5. Okay, so in this way, here by 4, so you will get 5. Clear? Now here write empirical formula, then calculate empirical formula weight. Calculate n. Why n? Because for molecular formula is equal to n into empirical formula. So whatever empirical formula was there, it is the simplest formula. If you multiply that by n, you will get the molecular formula. So to get n, we have to do n will be equal to molecular formula weight divided by empirical weight. Whatever empirical formula come from this 4 columns, we will say that this is empirical formula. We will discuss it in the next video also. So this is the empirical formula. Multiply it by how much? So n is equal to, here molar mass is given, so molar mass divided by this empirical weight, so we will get 2. So molecular formula will be C5H4 multiplied by 2, that is C10H.